Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
First, update your iPad to iPadOS 13 or later using Settings. This update enables the App Store Arcade tab and compatibility with Apple Arcade games. Next, sign in with your Apple ID in Settings and add a valid payment method if needed. Confirm Face ID or Touch ID for purchases to speed checks. Finally, connect to Wi-Fi or cellular and ensure sufficient battery. Open the App Store on your iPad and tap the Arcade tab at the bottom. Browse featured Apple Arcade titles and tap the Apple Arcade banner to view subscription options. Choose Start Free Trial to get 1 month free or select Subscribe for $99/month to start immediately. If you want shared access, enable family sharing under Settings and share purchases with up to 6 people in your family group. After subscribing, browse Apple Arcade games and tap a game card to open its page. Tap Get or the download icon to install the game on your iPad immediately. Installed games support offline play and include no ads or in-app purchases while your subscription is active. To manage storage, long press an app and choose Delete App to remove it. To change or cancel the subscription, open Settings, then tap your name and subscriptions to edit Apple Arcade.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.